Hi everyone, we're going to solve for x, where we have log base 2 of x times log base 2 of 4x is less than or equal to 24. Alright, so basically what I can do is, before we start, is simplify this. This is 4 times x. So I can use my product rule and expand that and write it as sum of logs. So we're going to keep our log base 2 of x, and then we're going to times it by log base 2 of 4. So I can write this as, let's just put 4 for now, plus log base 2 of x is less than or equal to 24. Alright, so what we're going to do is let log base 2 of x equal big X. Alright, so basically what that means is when I substitute, I'm going to get this is big X, and this right here, I'm going to redo this one real quick. This one is 4 squared, or 4 is 2 squared, because we have the 4. And if you use the power property, this is going to give you 2 times log base 2 of 2. But log base 2 of 2 is 1, so this is just going to equal 2 here. So I'm just going to write this as 2. So we have x, and this is going to be 2 plus x. And this is going to be less than or equal than 24. Now let's move everything over to the left-hand side of the equation. We're going to get, well, this is going to distribute that. So you're going to get x squared for this piece plus 2 big X, and then subtract this. Minus 24 is going to be less than or equal to 0. Therefore, when you factor, you're going to get x plus 6 times x minus 4 is going to be less than or equal to 0. That means we have x is going to be greater than or equal to negative 6 when you solve for this, and you're going to have x is less than or equal to 4. Alright, so I'm going to write that out as big X is greater than or equal to negative 6, less than or equal to 4. Now let's substitute in our log. So our log base 2 of x is big X. So we have negative 6 is less than or equal to log base 2 of x, which is less than or equal to 4. And since we did that, we can convert this. Looking at this, if you have, let me write this on another thing. So we have negative 6 is less than or equal to log base 2 of x is less than or equal to 4. So it's greater than that. Now using at your, let's change this up a little bit. So if you look at this and you have log base 2 of x, and let's just put equal for now, equals negative 6, that would mean x is equal to 2 to the power of negative 6. So I can change this as 2 to the power of negative 6, and we have this x here. Now for this piece, we do the same thing. This is going to be log base 2 of x equals 4. So that means x equals, the base is 2 to the power of 4. So you have 2 to the power of 4. And this is a good way to write your final answer, fully simplified. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.